This is Celeste from Creatrix Realm, and today I'm going to show you how to create a photo gallery and then duplicate a page, make it go live, and link it. So it's going to be a multi-part piece. So let's start off on looking at the page we're going to duplicate. Basically, it's for our brides on Twinbrook Floral. So all you have is text, a main image, and then the photo gallery is down here. So what I've done is I've downloaded some photos that are in this folder right here. I have the name of the bride and groom and location and the date. So what I'm going to do first, and I've already set this up, but I'm going to show you how I did it, is create a folder on Adobe Business Catalyst, and that's where we're going to put all the photos. So what you do is you go into, see, File Manager, and this is how we create the folder to keep everything organized. You can tell I've already done it here, but let me just walk you through it. This is the hierarchy. So root is where your website is located, but not the HTML, so you can't see it here. But you can put the images in here. So under Assets, you'll see the folder. It's called Images. And then I've created a folder called Our Brides. Click in there, and then another folder was created for Randy. So you just click on New Folder, and then you type in the name, hit Save. So I've done that already to save time. So I clicked on that. And these are the images. What you do is you just do Upload File, and then you just hit Select, and then choose the file you want to upload. So I'll just show you real quick on two. And then if you want to add more, just keep doing that. So just to show you real quick, I'm just going to do Upload. And these ones are the new versions, and I'll show you what I did. Basically, to keep everything looking uniform in the photo gallery, I make it 900 wide. So what you would do is you click on the image, because you see here it's 770, and do a resize, and just make this 900. The proportions are already constrained, so you don't do the height, and then click Save, and you'll want to overwrite the other file just so you don't have multiples, because when the photo gallery collects all these images, it's going to show all of them. So you have to delete the old file or click here that says overwrite the file with the same name. So I could just do this to show you real quick. So we're doing this one right here. You're going to see that's going to go to 900. There we go. But I'm going to delete this one because this one's already in here, and that's the new size. So I'll show you real quick how to delete. You just click on it, hit delete, hit OK, and it's gone. Okay, so all of our images are in here. Let me check the File Manager again. All right, so now we have to tell the photo gallery to link up to this folder. So we'll go to Modules, Photo Gallery, and so I have Lizzie and Matt right here, or Lindsay and Matt, that was the other one. But just to keep things more consistent, because you can see it alphabetizes, I'm just going to put B and G for bride and groom, and then the name of the bride. So that way we know anything with BG is going to be bride and groom for the Our Brides pages for Twinbrook Floral. Once again, that's just to keep everything organized. So now we're going to look for that folder, which is right here. Click Save. Make sure you click Save after this, because sometimes you get caught up in, naming things, and then you forget to save and you lost the whole thing. So if you want to put titles by the photos, you just click on there, and you can type in a description. Unfortunately, it doesn't show a thumbnail, but if you just look into your folder, you can see which one that is, and you can type in whatever you want. So now we created the folder, and we've created a photo gallery and linked the images to it. So now we're going to duplicate that one page, this one right here, and you can see the hierarchy of the folders. This is your main website route, our root, and then it's going to be in this folder, and then here's your HTML document that you're going to find and duplicate this. So in order to see your HTML files, you have to go to Site Manager, in Pages. And we had to look for this Lindsay and Matt. Looks like they're right here. And I did make an earlier copy, but I'll just show you this one real quick. Let me delete this and do that again. Okay, so let's go back to Lindsay and Matt. We'll click on that. And I'm going to copy this page. And I put all the information you can see up here about the bride and groom, so it's easier for me to pick it up when I need it. So I'm just going to put, now this is just the name of the HTML, so go ahead and type in the bride and groom's name. And then type in their names here. This is the header, is what they see on the title page. And it's in the Our Brides folder, so that's fine. Templates main page, that's fine. Show in search engine, that's good. You can give a page description if you want, which is basically what's shown under the HTML when you do a search on it. So we'll change the name in here. I'll put Corey, and you can see it's March 16th. And leave that, click on Gallery Images below to view larger images. That sounds good. So we're just going to save a draft right now. I usually save often just in case something happens with your internet connection. So now this is what you see right here. This is the code that shows you the photo gallery, and that's this part right here. So I usually keep all this stuff for reference. What I mean by that is just when you put in the new photo gallery, I leave this here, and then when the new photo gallery is down below, I'll delete it, just because this information is helpful because you can customize it. So I'll put my cursor at the end and I'll do a return. And if you pull your window out, you'll see this toolbox. For some reason you don't see it, it's just because it's collapsed and you need to pull your window out. Okay, my cursor's still there. Click on Photo Gallery. And we're going to want Randy and Corey. And for some reason it's not showing in here. Oh, there they are. BG Randy. There we go. It looks like there was two. I have to double check. I might have doubled up on that. Yeah, I think I did two. So I'll have to go back in and delete one. That was from my test run. Okay, so just click on the gallery and you see it right here. This is where you click Customize. So unfortunately I can't see the text back here, so I'm just going to leave this as is. I know I can set it later. So just click Insert, or you might want to write it down before you click on the gallery. So you can see that this number, you don't touch that, that's referring to the photo gallery. This number you could change to 3. You got 2 commas, leave that there. This change to 18, change the 80 to 210, change that to 210, comma, and then false. So now everything matches except for these numbers, of course. You don't want those to match anyhow. So now all the galleries will look the same when they're clicking through them. So now that that's in there, go ahead and delete it. And if this line didn't move up to this one, just bring your cursor down and then do another delete, and then there won't be a big space. At this point, I'll probably just save a draft so I don't lose it. I'm going to have to do part 2 because my 10 minutes are up. So part 2 is coming.